Okay, good morning, troops. Hey, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through this periodic table of aliens. Okay, so first off, this is to be completed today, Wednesday. If you guys get into the folder for labs, the first one you see, the PDF you see, will be the actual lab sheet that you guys are going to fill out. The next one looks like a little chain link. That is what you guys should see on your screen. And then the last one is going to be your assessment. Okay? Now, this is like a big puzzle. And sometimes puzzles can be frustrating. Sometimes they can, irritate you, or sometimes they can be easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to at least set you up. So what we're going to try and do here is mimic what the trends are on the periodic table, because different items increase and decrease, and you have relatedness going up and down in groups. So what I want to do is kind of get you set first. Now, as you can see, here are all the aliens that you have, or stick figures, or whatever you want to call them. The big thing is when you go to organize things, I look for kind of big things that stand out. So for me, do you guys see that this body shape is a triangle? Some of them are circles. Some of them are rectangles. Some of them are upside down triangles. And then some of them are ovals. So you have to kind of find some commonality with them. So the body type is huge. And that is going to set you up going side to side with what we would call a period. What I'm going to set up first is a type going top to bottom. So I have picked out here, I'm going to deal with hair spikes. What do you think? I think that's a good place to start. So you see some that have 3 spikes, some that has 2 spikes. That's 4 spikes. Here's 3. I need to find one that has 1 spike. Okay, so there it is. And as you move, this will make a copy in your Google Drive. So at the end, you'll have something to look at and maybe print off or resend that through Schoology when we meet again. So here's 1 spike. Where is 2 spikes? Here's 2 spikes. So you can see how they match up, even though they're the spikes here, same face, but look, different body type. 1 finger. So let's find 3 spikes. So there's the 3 spikes with the rectangle. 4 spikes was the oval, and 5 spikes. Where's 5 spikes? There she is. There she is. Kind of looks like Miss America. Or the Statue of Liberty with the spikes. Oh, yeah. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your 5. Now, what you want to do now is go this way, or maybe find something that you want to do vertical again. They just have to all match up vertically and then horizontally. So like here, I might want to find a different person that has a triangle body, and probably different hair. But look at here. Look at the difference here. Here is 1 finger. Here's 2 fingers. Okay? Well, now look at here, and instead of having 1 little spike, here's 2 little spikes and 2 fingers. And here is a circle. Okay? So what you want to do, I'm not going to do everything for you, but I hope at this point you guys get a pretty good idea of how to go about doing this, matching up body types, matching up different things. For me, I think matching vertically would be good. So try and get all your triangles arranged and then find a commonality top to bottom. And then get all your rectangles arranged and find a commonality. One of these is going to be missing. Okay, so there is going to be a blank spot. that blank spot, you should be able to predict what that body looks like, and you are going to have to draw it on your lab handout. Okay, so it's going to be a couple steps. Get everything arranged here, get it saved, maybe print it out at home so you can fill out your lab sheet, that PDF sheet, and then you should be able to take your lab assessment. If you aren't comfortable taking your lab assessment until we meet or have an opportunity to talk about it, that'll be fine, but it should be done this week sometime. But I hope you guys enjoy this little activity. It again helps reiterate how the periodic table is set up and the functionality of the periodic table. You guys are all doing a great job, and I hope that you have fun with this little activity today.